Today in the shop, we're going to be working on our TrailMaster MB200 mini bike from GOPOWERSPORTS.com. This is one of the best off-road mini bikes on the market today, and so far we've upgraded it with a built Tillotson 212 engine, a full-size gas tank, billet rear shocks, front brake kit, super pipe exhaust, and much more. This bike has every bell and whistle you'll ever need, and it's been our go-to bike for the past two GOPOWERSPORTS 180 endurance races, which are each 3 hours worth of rough and technical off-road racing. GOPOWERSPORTS has just come out with a billet upgraded front suspension kit, which we'll be installing on the bike today.
Free. Look at these bearings. They probably have like 100 miles on them. They don't look that bad.
Honestly, yeah.
I would still use those.
And now we have a cool unicycle with a neat seat.
This kit also comes with new bearings and new bearing races. Just be careful with these bearings. If you drop them, these balls can pop out and just go flying everywhere.
Already. Now the new bolt is going in, sandwiching the bearings and races together, and our new nice aluminum triple trees.
So we're sliding our fork tubes in. For now, we're just gonna line these to the top. This will give us the most ground clearance. And you know, if we want any less, it's really easy to change these.
So because you get the new front forks, you also get a new front wheel that has a flange to mount your new front brakes. And we took it upon ourselves to also replace the tire, since these ones have been through 6 hours of off-road endurance racing. These are really nice. They're 20-inch tires, so they're an inch taller. The tread, I think, is going to be a lot better for the GOPOWERSPORTS ranch. So we're going to get these beaded on and then put these on the new forks.
Push. Deep breaths.
This is insane.
Get a spoon.
Oh, that's both sides at once. Okay, now for the fun part. There we go.
Oh, it's violent. Man. That is, dude, that thing's beaded.
It's about 10.
Feels good.
Yep. Nice.
Oh, that's a cool looking tire.
That is.
Okay. Cool, so we got our headlight mounted. We have these fork mounted headlight brackets. We have an Amazon affiliate link for these. These do require a lot of modification. We had to bend the bracket and the clamp and the rest of the bracket, but we think this makes it look a lot better. One thing, these do not work because we're running the billet flywheel. It looks so much better. Look at that.
It turned out great.
Yeah, we like the headlight, and we're gonna be adding a fender, but we don't have the bracket right now, so it's not gonna be in this video. But I mean, this thing looks a lot meaner, looks a lot more worthy of an endurance race, you know?
It really does. It looks even more like a full-size motorcycle now.
Oh yeah. So comparing this to the old suspension just from here, it seems like it's got a little bit less dampening and a little bit faster rebound, but there's more travel. So it seems like it's just gonna be a smoother ride, a little bit more comfortable, and absorb the bumps better. Only thing left to do is to drive this thing. Yeah, y'all, the front brakes make this thing so much better. It's a lot more fun to drive. GOPOWERSPORTS makes, just for the stock suspension, you can put front brakes on there. But, I mean, this suspension feels good. It kind of feels more luxurious, I guess. I don't know, it seems like it moves more and takes away some of the bumps. It definitely feels higher up, so once we get that back tire on, this thing's gonna feel a good bit taller. It's pretty sick.
So we don't have much off-road to test it out on right now, but this will have to do. We also need to change out that rear tire for the same one as the front. It's got a hole in it, it's a little flat.
Man, it's smooth. It's really noticeable over the stock suspension. You know, it's a lot like softer, more comfortable. Just great all around.